There's a song inside of you that is unique to only you. And the world may never get to know what this song sounds like if you don't find the courage and faith to do something about it. My name is Victory, and for 4 months I'll be teaching an interactive guitar crash course on how to express yourself through this instrument. I've had quite a journey to this point, winning small victories along the way, day by day, which then led to big victories. I've walked this road and have so much I've learned that I want to share with you. This course is me teaching you how to play all the sounds, colors, and textures that you hear in your head on the guitar. So go and get your guitar and your dream, take my hand, and let's do this together. My name is Victory, and I want to coach you in the art of expressing yourself through the guitar.